So yesterday we started drawing our favorite places. And if you can remember, my favorite place was the church that's here near school. And everybody else might have drawn something different. But today we're going to look at our picture again and see if there are any more details that we can add. So lots of times when we look at something that we have drawn or we look at something that we did, if we look at it again, we might notice that we forgot to add in some details. Details are extra, are more things about your picture or about your story that you could add so that other people could really understand and see what our favorite place looks like. So I want to see if there are some more details that I could add so that if someone else looked at this picture, they would really be able to tell what our church here near school looks like. And I also noticed that I didn't color in some of the things that I already drew. So I'm going to use my peachy color again, and I'm going to finish coloring in the door because that is a detail that I forgot. And I also left out a detail that shows people the color of Jesus and the cross. I also remembered that there are really high up lights that kind of hang down, and that's what makes all of the light in the church. So that's another detail that I remembered. I forgot it yesterday, but I remembered it when I looked again at my picture today. I don't completely remember what color they are, but I do know that when I draw lights, a lot of times we use like yellow. I also forgot to color in the chair where the priest sits. And I don't remember exactly what color this chair is either, so I'm just going to guess. One more detail that I remember is the floor. I remember that the floor does not have carpet on it. It's got tiles that are squares. So I'm going to draw the floor a bunch of squares so that it looks like the floor at the church, and then I'm going to add the color to that. Okay, so I added in a couple more details. I added some color where I forgot to color. I added in the lights so that it looks even more like the church, and I added in the floor so it looks even more like the church. So what I would like you to do on your drawing of your favorite place, find 2 more details that you can add to your picture. Maybe you could add the floor like I did. Maybe you need to add another tree in your picture. Maybe you could add another swing if you were drawing the park. Maybe if it was in your room, you could add the window if you have a window in your room. So I want you to find 2 more things that you can add to your picture, that you could put in it, that will make it look even more like your favorite place.